Well, hello everyone on Facebook world and beyond who are watching this recording. My name is LeeYen Anderson and I'm with Dr. Carolyn Mein. We are talking about our emotional wisdom with essential oils coach training course that is now open for registration. Now, you all know that Dr. Carolyn Mein wrote the book
Hi.
26 years ago, and she's going to tell us all the questions that she's received over the years and what has led us to creating this course for you.
So many times I would encounter people who would tell me, I've got your book, Releasing Emotional Patterns with Essential Oils, but I don't know how to use it. And that amazed me because I really wrote it as a research, and I really wrote it as a resource. And so that means you can look at a particular emotion. You can look at a particular oil and see what's the emotion I need in order to really, what's the reason for using this particular oil? And what does this oil do? Why am I drawn to a particular oil? Also, I've got a pain in a particular area of my body. What does that mean? And then we can look at things in more depth, and that's how do I really look at core emotional issues to be able to really get into things in depth. And this is why we put together the course, not only for how do you know more about you as far as understanding self, understanding self, also resolving a lot of other core emotional issues. How do I get to I can be the best person that I can be? And that is what we need in order to be able to help other people. So we really designed this course from the practitioner's standpoint, but it's more than just the practitioner's standpoint. You do not have to be a practitioner in order to do it. It's more about understanding self, because once you understand yourself, then you can relate to everyone else in your world. And that's when you can truly be the light that you're created to be.
Mm-hmm. And also, a lot of people are taking it to be able to practice on their own family and friends. And the certification part is optional. There will be homework and case studies, but we found also a lot of interest from people who have been using the book for many years, but just want to go really in depth into how they can work both on themselves and others. So we've introduced a lot of material that you won't actually find in any of our other videos that we've done. We have a few videos on demand courses that you can find on Dr. Carolyn Mein's website, including ones on everyday essential oils, the feelings kit, and a few other short courses, including the ones we've taught at convention. This course is going to give you a slightly different view of how you can actually be a witness to what is going on with someone when they, like you said, have a certain symptom that's showing up. What does it mean for them? And how could we use the oils to really access the emotion that is stored in the body causing that symptom?
So this really goes into a lot of depth in understanding how do you truly change an emotional pattern. And so many times we get part of it, and there are a lot of different techniques that will work on different aspects. So you can look at releasing an emotion. Well, that is good because you're identifying it, but then what's the positive side of the emotion? What is it that you want to create? Another area is, why is the emotion there in the first place? What do I need to learn? What do I need to experience? What is this? And the area of how can I really be the best I can be, whether you're wanting to increase the enjoyment or the expression of various different aspects of your life, whether you're looking at your health, you're looking at your wealth, you're looking at your relationships. It's more about you being the best person that you can be.
Mm-hmm. So I hope you'll consider joining us. We're here for any questions you may have. Registration is open. The course will be starting October 17th, and we will be offering 3 live calls along with this 12-week module. And we will be there to answer your questions, to allow you to understand your body type and even the body types of your friends and family, and really dive deep into relationship between the different body types.
And the nice thing about this particular course is all of the lecture material is something that you have for life. You have access to the material, and then the live calls allow you to answer your specific questions.
Mm-hmm. So let us know if you have questions, and we will hopefully see you at our course.